According to Merriam-Webster Dictionary, the word academic means relating to education. The word tutorial means a class conducted by a tutor for one student or a small number of students. What exactly is an academic tutorial session? An academic tutorial session is given by a professional tutor for one tutee or a small group of tutees based on academic needs. For instance, a parent or guardian hires a professional math tutor to provide one-on-one academic tutorial sessions for a child who is not performing above or at grade level in school. In some cases, we are hired to help children who are failing core classes to get back on track with the help of their families and teachers. Our professional tutors are considered educators because they help their tutees achieve academic success without doing or grading their work. We act as coaches or facilitators who are in the business of promoting independent learners and thinkers. A professional tutor at Brainiac is more than a homework machine. We have more to come in the next video about that. Brainiac in-home tutoring, brainiactutor.com. We can help make your children better learners. Call us at 248-242-7733 for more information. To book a free standard tutoring session. No credit card required. Thank you for watching our educational videos.